A sunken-faced Nick Reiner stood in court Monday and pleaded not guilty to the murders of his parents, Rob and Michelle Reiner. Wearing a brown jail jumpsuit, hands and legs shackled, he appeared in court for only a few minutes during the arraignment. He faces 2 counts of first-degree murder in connection with the December 14 killings inside the family's $20 million Brentwood mansion. During the hearing, Reiner spoke just once. When the judge asked whether he was okay with his next court date, he replied, quote, "Yes." That was it.
Case number 25 CJC F08098.
Good morning, Your Honor. The Green Deputy Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Reiner, who's present in court in custody.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good evening, for the people.
Thank you, and good morning to each of you. Good morning, Mr. Reiner. And how would you like to proceed at this time, counsel? The court has, and I'll just make a record, we addressed the request for media coverage off the record. Court just orders that there's no live streaming and no live transmission, and no filming of anyone in the gallery.
We'd like to go forward with the arraignment at this time.
Thank you. And on behalf of Mr. Reiner, do you waive full reading of the complaint, advisement of rights, including armed forces and veterans' rights, enter a plea of not guilty, denying any and all special allegations, enhancements, and priors?
Yes, Your Honor.
A plea of not guilty is entered on behalf of Mr. Reiner. Counsel's requesting
April 29th as 0:30.
April 29th, 2026 as a 0 of 30 calendar days.
Yes.
And may I take a waiver from your client at this
Yes,
time?
sir.
Mr. Reiner, you are entitled to a speedy preliminary hearing. That's a preliminary hearing within 10 court days and 60 calendar days of your arraignment. Your arraignment is today. Do you understand, waive, and give up those rights so that your matter may be continued to April 29th, 2026 as a 0 of 30 calendar days, with the understanding that your preliminary hearing may commence within 30 calendar days of April 29th?
Yes.
And does counsel join in that waiver?
I do.
The court finds that Mr. Reiner has made a knowing and intelligent waiver of his right to a speedy preliminary hearing within 10 court days and 60 calendar days, and that his counsel of record joins in that waiver. Defendant agrees that the next court date of April 29th, 2026 is a 0 of 30 calendar days. The matter is assigned to, for all purposes, by the supervising judge of the criminal master calendar. The matter is assigned to, for all purposes, to Judge Sam Oda in Department 108. Counsel reserve on bail?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's bail set at no bail. Anything further on this case?
Yes, for the record, Your Honor, people have turned over to the defense the large bulk of discovery. We are still awaiting word from the coroner's office that they've completed the autopsy report. As soon as we get it, we will turn it over from the defense, as well as any other discovery that comes in.
Thank you. Anything further?
Your Honor, I addressed with the court the issue of the outstanding SCTs. We're asking that those be withdrawn at this time.
And those subpoenas, as referenced by the defense, are withdrawn, ordered withdrawn.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anything further?
Thank you.
No, no.
Thank you.
At one point, he appeared to smirk. He mostly stared straight ahead as the proceedings unfolded. The December 14 murders of legendary director Rob Reiner, known for When Harry Met Sally, and his wife Michelle, sent shockwaves to Hollywood. The couple, ages 78 and 68, were found by their daughter, Romy. Nick was arrested the following day. His arraignment had already been postponed twice. First, high-profile attorney Alan Jackson entered the case, requesting more time to speak with his client. 7 days later, Jackson dropped out, further delaying proceedings. Nick Reiner has long struggled with addiction, entering and leaving rehab programs since the age of 15. In 2015, he co-wrote the semi-autobiographical film Being Charlie, directed by his father, Rob. The film tells the story of a teenager battling drug addiction and a strained father-son relationship. Now, that real-life family dynamic sits at the center of a criminal case that has stunned an entire industry. Nick Reiner has entered his plea. The investigation continues, and the next court date looms.